Guys, got a new build coming. We're looking for maybe a color and a theme. I was going to show you a little bit of it. Here's regular back tire, and then we got the sawtooth, a little bit different tread design. Of course, tubes go with it. Oh yeah, heavy duty slip clutch for the 6.5 Predator motor. High performance kit. Got this little hot dog muffler. Air cleaner setup. Whoa! The parts for it. Rim, seat, pegs, chain, front forks, sprocket. 72 tooth, I think. 5-inch rims. Yep. All we gotta do is figure out what color we're gonna paint it and what kind of theme. So I'm kind of looking for some input. So click on and subscribe. Thanks.